A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move that has sent shockwaves through immigrant communities, the Trump administration has announced it will begin a comprehensive review of all 55 million U.S. visa holders. This initiative aims to identify any individuals who may have committed deportable offenses as the administration intensifies its crackdown on immigration policy. The State Department confirmed on Thursday that visa holders will be scrutinized for a range of indicators, including overstays, criminal activities, and any connections to terrorism. The announcement marks a continuation of the administration's stringent immigration policies, particularly concerning student visa holders. Since President Trump took office in January, approximately 6,000 student visas have been revoked, with around 4,000 of those linked to violations of U.S. law. The State Department has emphasized that every student visa revocation is a result of either criminal activity or expressions of support for terrorism. In a stark illustration of the administration's zero-tolerance approach, over 300 visas were revoked after holders were found to have supported organizations such as Hamas. This rigorous review process, referred to as continuous vetting, involves an assessment of all available information, including law enforcement and immigration records. The State Department has made it clear that any new information that arises post-visa issuance could lead to a reassessment of an individual's eligibility to remain in the United States. This crackdown on visa holders is part of a broader strategy by President Trump to target illegal immigration, which has resulted in a notable decrease in immigrant populations across the country. According to recent findings from the Pew Research Center, the number of immigrants in the U.S. fell from 53.3 million in January to 51.9 million by June, marking a 1.4 million decline in just 5 months. This decline represents the first significant drop in immigrant numbers in half a century. The implications of this policy shift are profound, affecting not only the lives of visa holders, but also the fabric of communities across the nation. As the administration continues to tighten its grip on immigration, many are left wondering what the future holds for immigrants in America. The decision to review visa holders comes at a time when immigration remains a hot-button issue in the U.S., polarizing public opinion and sparking heated debates about national security, human rights, and the American identity. Critics of the administration argue that these measures are detrimental to the diversity and economic vitality that immigrants bring to the country. They contend that the focus on criminality and potential threats overshadows the contributions made by millions of law-abiding immigrants who enrich American society. Supporters, however, argue that the administration's actions are necessary to ensure public safety and uphold the rule of law. As the review process unfolds, many visa holders are left in a state of uncertainty, fearing the potential ramifications of their status in the U.S. The State Department's commitment to continuous vetting raises questions about the long-term implications for visa holders and the broader immigrant community. With the Trump administration's focus on immigration reform showing no signs of abating, it is clear that the landscape for immigrants in the U.S. is rapidly changing. The ongoing review of visa holders is just one aspect of a larger narrative that continues to evolve, underscoring the complexities and challenges surrounding immigration policy in America today. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.